Ed boys. Many doors, yes? Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself. Do not fool Ralph! I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Hey, Ro! Incoming!
Get it on! Ah, I ain't touching that. Help me! Don't let the monster eat me!
Holy mackerel!
Help me!